Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to cover a jar, but it's going to have a completely different look to it than I normally do. I had some fantastic ideas and I got almost to the end of it and then I completely ruined it. So I had to start again, and that's why this video is late, but I'm going to show you what I can do with this. So this is it was a candle. I basically scraped all the wax out of it and then I washed it up, and basically I'm going to turn this jar into something really fancy. So here we go. Thanks for watching the tutorials. I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So as you can see, it has completely transformed into something really, really fancy. So I didn't really have a plan for this because this was a make that I put together quite quickly due to the fact that my other one didn't go to plan. So I thought I could do a gold and sort of black look, and the idea of this is you could even put a plant in it. It's big enough to put a plant in it. So if you have any candles that you've used and you don't know what to do with after, scrape all the wax out, give it a good clean, and then make it into something like this. Now I do keep a lot of my candles when they're burnt out, and I just clean them up, and then I have a nice glass to work with. So as I said, you can put a plant in it or something for a present, or I mean, to be honest, I'm going to use this as a tools holder because I think it's absolutely fancy. So I've not done anything like this before, particularly, you know, where the clay sticks out as well, but I have made sure that they are really, really secure and they don't fall off. And then I finished it off with the glitter. Now this is a holographic glitter, but I don't normally use the gold variety. And I actually really like this, and the reason for that is it actually goes with the design. So normally I would use a silver or something like that, and also you'll notice I haven't used too much mica powder. So sometimes I do a bit over the top of mica powder, and I decided to kind of like hold back a bit as if I could, but I had to put glitter on it. So I think that gives the top a nice look. It sort of sparkles a bit, and because there's so much pattern on the rest of the clay, I couldn't really put any glitter on that, so I wanted to stay away from that. But as you can see, from a few really, really simple shapes, you can make something that looks really cool. So I had an idea that perhaps you could make these for presents for people for Christmas. I am going to be doing some more Christmas themed videos soon. I'm going to start with stars, that sort of thing. So look for them when they're coming up. As I said at the start of my video, I'm really, really hoping to get my scheduling back together. I'm going to do a Wednesday and a Saturday, and I'm hoping that I can stick to it. Sorry for the delay, but art goes wrong sometimes. So I'll have a lot of scrap to use up. So leave your comments below to let me know what you think I should make with all this scrap, and hopefully at some point I will be able to, I'm staring at it, so it's right there. So you can see my eyes flick down. It is so much of it, honestly. It's like piling up behind my camera. I'm a little scared. I'm gonna have to make a big project, I think. I made a clock before, so I need something really big to make. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think Anyway, enough of my rambling. So this is how you make a ridiculously pretty candle holder or plant pot or tools pot from Polymer clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. So if you do have any glass candles that you can use, and obviously then scrape out this So if you've got any glass candles that you haven't used, no. So if you've got any ideas of more coffee. So as I mentioned, this is a scrap, and yeah, it's a mess. It's all goldy, greeny, odd, it's gonna turn out, I don't know. I'm gonna roll this into one color, and then I need something really big to do with this. Don't ever waste your clay. Always roll it into a solid color, or roll it into some weird shapes first, cut it about, and see what you can get out of it. I've got some cool stuff that I've made out of scrap clay just by cutting into it and finding out some really cool patterns. However, this is going to turn into one solid colour. Once I've got it to one solid colour, I'm going to make something quite big out of it. But tell me in the comments what you suggest I should make out of this huge mess.